My colorful world. Hello, little ones. Let's explore the colorful world around us. Look at all the different colors we can see. Red is the color of a juicy apple. Orange is the color of a basketball. Yellow is the color of a happy sun. Green is the color of a grassy field. Blue is the color of the endless sky. Purple is the color of a beautiful flower. Black is the color of the nighttime sky. White is the color of snow and clouds. Gray is the color of a rainy day. Now it's your turn. Can you spot the colors around you? Look at the toys, clothes, and objects nearby. What colors do you see? Great job. You're a color expert now. Remember, colors are all around us and they make our world a more beautiful and exciting place.